So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun and draw something together? Yeah! Today, why don't you and I draw an insect? Will you guess which insect? First, it starts out as a caterpillar, and then it undergoes metamorphosis and transforms into this insect. It has beautiful, colorful wings. Yeah, it's a butterfly. Wow, I love butterflies. Oh, why don't we start with the color black and draw its head? Okay, a small circle right up there. Oh, and let's make a smiley face. There we go, a nice happy butterfly. And then let's draw its body way down here. Whoa! Yeah, very tall. Wow, all right, now let's draw its wings. Whoa, one big wing right up there. Whoa, and the same thing on this other side. Whoa, and then let's add some color. Whoa, how about this bottom wing can be red? Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa, what a beautiful butterfly so far, right? Wow, and do you see how I'm making everything the same on both sides? That's called symmetrical. Yeah, so if I make a circle right here, I will make a circle on this side. If I make a line like that, I'll then make a line like this. Whoa, and we can keep adding some color. How about some purple? Whoa, oh, butterflies are so beautiful. There we go. They just flop around. And if you've ever seen a butterfly just hanging out, yeah, maybe soaking up some sun. Yeah, they're actually trying to warm up their body. They need the heat to fly. Whoa, how about some green? Whoop, there we go. Whoa, what a cool looking butterfly. There we go. And then let's add some blue. Are you ready? Let's do a small circle right there, small right there. Whoop, and some curved lines at the bottom. Wow, what about the top? Do you know what they have on top of their heads? Yeah, antennas. All right, let's go like this. Curved line with a small little circle. Curved line with a small little circle. Wow, butterflies are awesome. And you are awesome. That was so much fun learning to draw with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.